Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something that claims to make cleaning your car's windshield super easy. The Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush. Is it the real deal or just another gimmick? Let's find out. So, what's the deal with this brush? It's supposed to help you get rid of those annoying oil films and water stains on your windshield, keeping your view crystal clear while driving. The brush has soft bristles that are supposed to lift away grime without much effort. Sounds like a dream, right? But before you go adding it to your cart, let's dig a little deeper. First up, the price. You can grab one brush for $4.99, two for $9.99, or three for $19.99. But does it really work? The brush is supposed to remove oil and dirt quickly and leave a protective layer that helps keep rain and fog at bay. But here's the catch. There's no solid proof yet that it actually works like it claims. And here's something that might make you pause. There aren't any customer reviews on Amazon yet. This could mean it's a new product, or not many people have tried it. Without those reviews, it's hard to say if it really gets the job done. Plus, the product info is pretty vague. It just mentions a plastic sponge but doesn't give much detail or clear instructions on how to use it. That could lead to people using it wrong and not getting the results they want. Also, it might not be available for shipping to everyone, which could be a bummer. So, is the Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush worth it? Maybe, but we think it's worth doing a bit more research before you buy. If you've tried it or have any thoughts, drop a comment below.